I'm selling my soul to YouTube, to the YouTube game. There's a negative connotation on selling your soul. And I think that I want to change that. I know that most people, when they think about selling their soul or somebody selling their soul, in an example, a musician sells their soul, right? To the industry or to a label, a music label, or someone, the devil, so they can get great powers and amazing lyrical musical talent, or famous. I want to be famous. Let me write my name on this paper, sell my soul to you. This is not what I'm talking about, okay? When I say I'm selling my soul, it means I'm giving everything I got. I'm giving it my all. And I want to change what selling your soul really is. I want to make that, something different. Selling your soul should not be selling your soul anymore. That's over with. That's some old shit, okay? That's some shit you do when, you in the 1800s and there's still witches with and your women got musty cooches. Okay, we in the 21st century. We in 2023. We ain't doing none of that no more. None of that selling your actual soul. And if you are selling your actual soul, get some help. But me personally, I'm not selling my soul for anything. $1 billion is enough to make me, set me for life. I'm not really selling my soul for $1 billion. Because you can make $1 billion, You can make $1 billion in like 30 seconds if you actually put your mind to it and try. You gotta make money to live. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to be an influencer because influencers make money. It's okay to want to make money. It's okay to want to make a lot of money. But just don't have to actually sell your soul. You gotta work hard. You gotta sell your soul. You gotta give your pain, your trauma into whatever. Channel it into a hobby. Channel it into something productive so you can monetize off of that trauma. Because that's what humans do. We just sell our trauma, sell our pain, sell our expressions. If you want to sell your soul like me, the real way, the good way, the way where you can look your kids in the eyes and not have reptilian eyes, then do what you got to do. Sell your soul to your craft, your hobby, something you like to do. You can do it, honestly. I think everybody can do it, even though I haven't done it yet, but hopefully I can. If you subscribe, like, and comment, anybody can do it. You just gotta give your time, give your whole heart, and put it all into it, okay? You gotta be smart, you gotta be strategic, you gotta be meticulous, you gotta be intellectual to make it in this world. Hopefully it all works out. I'm pretty sure it will. With time, dedication, determination, and patience, you can be a monument one day. I'm gonna be a monument one day. And I wasn't born a monument, okay? Monuments are made, they're not born. Follow me along the journey, subscribe, like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. This is your Grand Region Dill, and I'm signing off. I will see you in the next video.